Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and today Microsoft announced that its Bing search engine has been used 100 million times a day recently, and this is the first and the highest peak of their usage of Bing since the Bing search engine, or the rebranding of MSN or whatever to Bing, was done 13 years ago. And of course, a search engine, a lot of people use Google, and Bing is not necessarily, and I don't use Bing. I find that Bing is actually not great in general. But I got to say that the ad of the Bing chat is probably what it has all to do with. So the AI and talk about AI has generated enough to put Bing at a much higher pace of usage. So 100 million users a day, which is kind of interesting when you think about it. Does it make Bing better? I'm not sure it does. It should technically, possibly if you search for things. For example, if I look at what is Jupiter, for example, and you get information about the different things that you search. It technically should search it, so it gives you information, gives you a lot of information that is much more precise. It gives you websites that you can go to, and basically all the different websites about the information you want. So I guess, it's interesting that AI has brought new life into the Bing engine. I think this is what's nice. Will it get higher than that? I don't know. And I'm actually using this moment to actually ask you guys, if you have a search that you want to do, what are you using as a search engine? So there's DuckDuckGo, which gives you privacy, which tells you that it's not tracking you. There's Google, which, I'm using Google because it gives me the most relevant results, and it's what I want. There's others like Yahoo, which I don't know if anybody's using Yahoo, which was, by the way, the dominant search engine long time ago. Shows how things can change fast. Bing, I don't like because of several factors. First of all, it's not that great in search here, at least here in Canada. And it also gives a lot of trash and things that I don't care about around it. So, the question to you guys, if you have a search to do, what engine will you use to do it? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.